What's good, everybody? It's Haitian sister in the house. Today, we have a special guest in the house who's hiding because she just got off work and her shirt. And I'm getting the middle finger right now. What's your name?
Girlfriend.
Alright, it's girlfriend. We react to Cardi B. Am I the Drama? Y'all go buy the album. If y'all what's the
Stream it, run it up on
what's
Spotify,
what's
Apple,
what's the Bodega something?
Bodega Baddie,
No, the
DoorDash.
DoorDash thing.
But Cardi B Bodega. I don't know.
No, you say if you leave somewhere you can get something if you buy the album.
Oh, with the Dash Mart. Yeah, buy her album on DoorDash.
Yeah, I didn't know that was a thing. All right, let's go straight to the album Dead by Cardi B and Summer Walker.
Grammy Award-winning recording artist Cardi B, known for her chart-topping hits, now
And say hi to you.
a crime spree that has left a trail of devastation. International rap superstars on the run after being linked to a series of brutal
and
killings.
report any sightings immediately.
According to police, the victim,
Cardi B, who has always been a controversial,
bloggers, journalists, and most chillingly, several female rappers.
if these allegations are true, it will undoubtedly be one of the darkest chapters in music history.
And I forgot the other story here. I don't know if you can see in what the camera is. It's my little cat right here. I don't know if I should say his legal name.
He's on the run. Don't.
Oh yeah. All right, let's do it.
I took that demon to the red, I going fast. Mirror, mirror, who the baddest bitch? She looking back. I know these bitches in my shadow feel so cold. I don't think these bitches know. I want their heads. I want them begging for their life. I want them dead. I know they heard a bitch was coming and they scared. I wanna pull the lace fronts off their heads. I want all these bitches dead.
Can't compete with me, I'm not the one. I tell hoes to suck my dick, they put their hair up in a bun. I let these bitches see I should've left these hoes with none. Never smart to beef with me, what can I say? These hoes be dumb. Bitches love to die young. Look, the waterfall put my
What
toe.
the?
You're
What? What is going on right here? Wait, is this recording? This is recording. What? This is some type of war type of album. Wait. I love this. You know, I don't know if you know this, but so there's a rapper that just dropped from a country that I belong to. Now that is supposed to like that I was waiting for some like hip hop. So I'm dissing him. I didn't even I know there's a lot of his fan out there, but I was waiting for something like this. This is like building up. I kind of like, I see the quotes and everything. This is like, I can feel the fire. It's like I just drank a dark rum right here. I can feel the fire of this little song right there. I was not who the hell is Summer Walker?
She's an R&B singer.
What? They're making some like pretty gangsta music. This is kind of like building up out there. I love it. Okay, wait, what do you think so far? I haven't let it
I
play
need
yet.
the beat to drop first.
Oh yeah, I'm just like waiting. I'm already excited about this.
I took that demon to the red, I going fast. Mirror, mirror, who the baddest bitch? She looking back. I know these bitches in my shadow feel so cold. I don't think these bitches know. I want their heads. I want them begging for their life. I want them dead. I know they heard a bitch was coming and they scared. I wanna pull the lace fronts off their heads. I want all these bitches dead.
Can't compete with me, I'm not the one. I tell hoes to suck my dick, they put their hair up in a bun. I let these bitches see I should've left these hoes with none. Never smart to be for me. What can I say? These hoes be dumb. Bitches love to die young. Look, the water fine, put my toes in it. Music fine, put my soul in it. My coochie in my business. These bitches love putting their nose in it. Tell a bitch you better use your head before I come there, put a hole in it like now she could bow with it. They say party you tweaking now. I don't be tweaking enough. Bitches be doing shit and I be letting it slide and I don't be bringing it up. Bitches be out here telling lies about me and y'all just be eating it up. But when I drag it to hell, Cardi you evil as fuck. She said my name.
This is crazy. This is fire.
That sounds like old Cardi.
Yeah, literally. This is crazy. This after winning a court thing, dropping this is crazy.
She should have dropped it immediately after she won.
Literally. Yeah, especially this. Well, I don't know if they would be like thinking some suspicions going on, but I was not expecting to be that turned to this song.
Yeah, telling lies about me and y'all just be eating it up. But when I drag it to hell, Cardi you evil as fuck. She said my name, she getting belt. She think I'm playing, she getting belt. When we go in the store, don't touch nothing, you complain or you getting belt. I got 300 days last year, none of y'all call me up. And like those tears that ran down my cheek, yeah, but I be sorry as fuck. Girl, guess who dropped 1,000 times and none of it's working. Guess who doing shows with
Wait, she changed the whole flow on me.
And the beat.
Yeah.
Who produced this?
I don't know. I think they're probably saying this at the end. I was expecting to react to the whole album. I think I might just like do short ones maybe. Feel like this is a little too exciting.
Girl, guess who dropped 1,000 times and none of it's working. Guess who doing shows for them and free and pockets hurting. Guess who make sure that she pay nice when we in person. And guess who done bodied up more bitches than they searching. I'm collecting body bags, I get purses. I don't even rap no more, I drive hearses. Bitches got some nerve and then be nervous. Don't tell me, tell customer service. Not for nothing, I'm that bitch. I look good, plus I'm thick. If you get money and you cute, then babe, you basically my twin. You been here since what's poppin', then we basically locked in. You don't see me get knocked out 9 times, still get up 10. They still mad about that Grammy. They still mad that I'm still poppin'. They still mad that they don't play her in the club and I went diamond. Oh, should I rebrand it, revamp it? But ain't do nothing, had another baby. I was pre-clamped, you gotta love it. Niggas tweaking, yup, in front of the world. What? You do a bitch like that, found you. I try to come in peace, they tore me into pieces. Now I gotta R.I.P.
I want their heads. I want them begging for their life. I want them dead. I know they heard the bitches coming and they scared. I wanna pull the layers rounds off their heads. I want all these bitches dead.
If you not my bitch, you just a bitch, then you are out. If you with that bitch, when I come get her, you gon' die. Brad, beam, shot, back.
I want all these bitches dead. Gone and dusty, it's a piece. No, I won't bed till all these bitches sleep. Love give me the strength, cause all these bitches weak. Man, I swear, I want these bitches all dead. There's no begging for their life. You play with me, you'll make it through the night. I'll do more than everything that's right. Man, I swear that I want these bitches all dead.
Awesome. Alright, that's dead. I think we can just keep going. What do you think so far?
I think in February when she goes on tour, that's gonna be an amazing song to walk out to.
Yeah. Alright, you think it's gonna be the best one so far? Or
I think that's getting us hyped for the rest. It's gonna set the tone for the rest.
alright. This was Dead Cardi B Summer Walker. We're gonna go to the next one. What's the next one? Is it Hello?
Hello.
Okay, alright. Let's go straight to Hello. It's still Legend Susu out here. Here's your phone. It's still Legend Susu. It's still the anonymous. and we still also have an anonymous cat. I don't know what those people are up to. Not saying their names, but that's it. Let's go straight to the video.
Turn up at the party, I'm kicking out.
Oh my god, what the heck? This is already good too.
Too bad summer's over.
Yeah.
Turn I'm turned up at the party. I'm kicking out my body. She shake it, clap it for me. These bitches are so Cardi. I'm turned up at the party. I'm kicking out my body. She twerk it, clap it for me. Like yeah, 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 yeah. Hello, it's me. 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 Hello, hey. 'Cause it be me popping off shit on these hoes. It be me, my body tea, I'm bitches goes up. It be me with my skin glowing in the sun. Out telling niggas mama is a bomb. It be me just looking perfect, head to toe up. It be you out here just looking regular hoe. It be me just popping out, just looking fine. It be me looking better than all you hoes combined. It be me getting black boxes every week. It be me looking like a snack, one appetit. It be me that's counting money, shaking ass. It be you that's looking stupid, hating ass, bitch. It be me with 50 inches to my butt, yeah. He on my phone, he talk to me like what you want, It be you out here that's stressing over niggas.
Any commentary so far? I feel like I've been talking a lot lately.
Any commentary?
Yeah, what you think?
I'm ready for her to get to the verse for real. This part feels like the whole hook. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it catchy? Yeah, but this does feel like the whole song's a hook for another song. And that flow, I know she's done it in another song. I can't think of the other song.
Yeah.
It's almost like, it makes me feel like that's gonna be the next song in the album. Like maybe she's like catching that flow early.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Alright.
You looking for him? He right here under my pictures. I'm turned up at the party. I'm geeking on my body. She shaking, clap it for me. These bitches love so Cardi. I'm turned up at the party. I'm geeking on my body. She twerking, clap it for me. Like yeah, 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 yeah. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. I'm that bitch. Yeah, yeah. Hello, it's me.
Oh, I see what you mean. This also does sound like it should be the beginning.
This sounds like the beginning of another song.
No, also the beginning of the album.
Oh,
Yeah. Like, you know, when people are like, this is the album type of thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. It's that bitch. Yeah, yeah. It be you that's hella mad. It be me that's getting tricked on by somebody's baby dad. It be me that's looking sexy. It be me that's looking cute. It be me with body busting out this new body suit. It be me with Eliante diamonds, everything be glowing. It be me carrying these hoes, surprised that I'm not showing. With all the emotion, having shit that's going on. It ain't me, it's not my fault. Me and bro clothes don't get along. Hey, I'm turned up at the party. I'm kicking on my body. She shaking, clap it for me. These bitches love so Cardi. I'm turned up at the party. I'm kicking on my body. She twerking, clap it for me. Like yeah, 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 yeah. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. I'm that bitch. Yeah, yeah. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me. It's that bitch. Yeah, yeah.
I could also, I think this is like a trend. You know, we are a little old. I feel like it's a trend for like dances and songs to be
Oh,
made
people
up.
are gonna be shaking ass.
Yeah.
To that song.
Yeah, I feel like, yeah.
Yeah.
What's the next one?
Magnet.
What you think so far?
So far, I don't have any complaints. I don't think there's any song I would skip. I know I need to hear it in the car.
Mm-hmm. Dead. Hello. Can compare, or what do you think?
If I had to pick between the two, I'd pick Dead.
Yeah, but so far I still have Dead. Let's go, Magnet. Who made these?
Hard.
Damn, it's red. I was just thinking, it's like some have a red cloud and some have a blue. Let's see what's the red about.
The real trap leader.
Hey, 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 face pretty out the winner. Hey, 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 hey.
Wait,
She's
what?
coming out shooting.
Oh, alright. I can't tell if this is like a crown or something on the.
Yeah, only one that. This is good.
Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you snack it, baby. If it ain't about money, Bitch can't do it like me. Bitch can't do it like me. Woke up and I'm still in the lead. I know
You
these
know, maybe you're right. Doesn't this seem like the hello from the other thing too? Maybe.
Oh.
Like it's like telling a story about the whole album. It's kind
Yeah.
of like similar to what's just out there.
That's why you have to do it in order.
The hello, yeah.
I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. I'm putting belt to ass. If a bitch will smoke with me, then we can link whenever. Until then, I'm in my bed, just rub my feet together. Slow face, bitch. Whose spot is you taking? My spot forever, ho. I'm like a Dalmatian. Who's invented these Chanel's for? Not me. Y'all bitches posting shits up all y'all want, but not see. Gotta do the jumbo. Might just do the maxi. I like a classy bag. Gotta keep it classy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These bitches can't fuck with me. Pussy tastes like honeycomb. Talking on my money phone. Shout out to my hoes that wear the pants that come on. Got my baby daddy acting like my baby mama. Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you smack it, baby. Streets is calling me and they keep saying, let's get at it, baby. Bitch can't do it like me. Bitch can't do it like me. Woke up and I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. Now let's talk about this hating ass bitch. Ungrateful ass bitch. I don't care, man. Somebody gotta say it ass bitch. Fake friend ass bitch. A clown ass bitch. On the net, kick your friend. What?
What happened?
Is glow on this song? That's glow on the ad libs.
Oh, really?
Listen, it's glow on the ad
Wait,
libs.
1 second. You know when thing first dropped, they don't say the name yet.
Yeah.
Up and I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. Now let's talk about this hating ass bitch. Ungrateful ass bitch. I don't care, man. Somebody gotta say it ass bitch. Fake friend ass bitch.
Oh, okay. I think that
on the
was glow.
ad-libs.
Okay, wait.
Clown
Is she
ass
gonna
bitch.
come out?
On the net, kick your friend while she down ass bitch. Your loyalty depends who you around ass bitch. Backdoor hoe, hating on the low ass bitch. You a shady ass bitch. You been trash since birth. Mama didn't want you, bring this baby ass bitch. Tail wagging ass bitch. Bottom feeder ass bitch. All that dick riding still ain't get no feature ass bitch. She just mad she got a nigga she be sharing bags with. My nigga cheap, but I don't stick no dildos in his ass, bitch. You look a hot mess easily.
It's the girl from the video last night.
Isn't this? I don't know. Wait, does this relate to that video we watched?
No.
No.
Mm-mm.
Wait, is Glow coming or no?
The song's almost over.
I don't think
she's
so. I think
coming.
you think it's like those Kendrick thing where
It's just
he'll be in the
on it,
ad lib and you
but
think
it's-
he's coming, but he's not.
Yeah.
Who is she talking about?
I
I know she
who
said
is.
exactly her baby daddy's name. Well, she said, well, she only had one baby daddy so far, so.
Yeah.
Alright.
Some girl hating. All I can say is maybe Raw, Ali, maybe Bia, maybe Nicki Minaj, maybe that blogger she sued.
I don't stick no dildos in his ass, bitch. You look a hot mess, easily impressed ass bitch. Never gave looks, just started getting dressed ass bitch. Ricky, you're the only fashion house you know ass bitch. You should've asked me, would've took you to the show, little bitch. Face pretty, I know I could probably win a pageant, baby. They say I'm attractive, I be feeling like a magnet, baby. I'm just young and ratchet, baby. Love it when you smack it, baby. Only one that, if it's good and have me acting crazy. Bitch can't do it like me. Bitch can't do it like me. Woke up and I'm still in the lead. I know these hoes is mad. It's time for hoes to gag. I'm putting belt to ass.
Awesome. Alright, boo boo, what you think so far?
I think that beat goes crazy and it goes amazing with the hook.
This or that?
Ooh, that's a hard one actually.
Yeah.
Cause this one's good. I need a music video for this one actually.
Yeah. What's next?
I don't really have my phone.
We did hello. You said dead. Oh wait, I have your phone.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
there you
keep
go.
taking it from me.
What else did you say?
I feel like it's something with the
Imaginary.
E. Yeah, it's Pick It Up with Selena Gomez.
Oh, it's pick it up right now.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I don't know what this gonna be. Kind of
Some
scared.
pop thing. with
Probably
Selena
pop.
Gomez.
What if it's
Selena Gomez first rap. Straight bars.
She just going crazy at Justin.
It's a Justin Bieber diss
Come on, bullshit, I'm
Oh,
reading
never mind. Never mind. It is hip hop.
Think I didn't delete it all. Look at your picture, I'm fiending. I don't feel over. Holding myself cause I need it. I'm so obsessed. You got me checking my phone every second. Like, I hope you asking phones. So come over so I can prove it to you. Said you're on my mind, I just can't let it go. Pick it up, when we left off, can give it up. I bet, messy up, let me know if it's a dub. I said your love, it's like a drug. You probably stuck, so pick it up. Pick it up, when we left off, can give it up. I bet, messy up, let me know if it's a dub. I said
Is that Cardi B on some
Yeah,
too long?
that like high pitch.
your love, it's like a drug. You got me stuck, so pick it up. Pick it up now. Why is you dubbing me? Either it's me or Little Miss Ugly. I don't see nothing but broke bitches stubbing me. Most of these bitches can't even have company. Why can't we pick it up like a bitch just dropped it? Pick it up like we just went shopping. Pick it up if that bitch keep calling. Or pick it up like we with no stopping. Sean be mad, but whenever he pick me up, I wanna put it down. And he be up in it like I think I like it. I think I'm about to go look around. Why you so fine, mine? I don't have the time. They just gotta book me now. I mean that nigga changed. Now get up and clean the shit. I even be cooking now. And I couldn't find nobody who do like you. I tried, but the dick wasn't as good. Gotta be satisfied. Hit with the finish line. So baby, tell me how you feeling like. And when I call you better, pick it up. When we left off, can give it up. I bet, messy up. Let me know if it's a dub. I said your love, it's like a drug. You got me stuck, so pick it up. Pick it up. When we left off, can give it up. I bet, messy up. Let me know if it's a dub. I said your love, it's like a drug. You got me stuck, so pick it up.
What you think?
I'm not even gonna lie, I love that song.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I love Selena Gomez, but also I could see me like singing that song and dancing to it.
All right.
What do you think?
I don't know. You know what I always say is, music is like it's therapeutic. I feel like it depends on how you're feeling right now, and it depends on your mood for the day. I feel like being in such like overwhelming place today and all those things that happened today, I feel like that's not really my vibe right now. But that doesn't mean that it could be like another day and I'm like, oh yeah, pick it up, come on, something like that. But yeah, to me so far though, I must say, let's see, that is the next one would be Magnet, and then it would go to Hello, and then this one. What you think? What's your?
I would say Dead, Pick It Up.
You don't have to think so hard.
Magnet.
Yeah, literally.
I just didn't decide where to put Magnet and then put Hello because I do love the chorus of Hello, but Magnet is a better song overall. to me.
Damn, the cat's looking at us angry.
He was just playing with me. I don't know why he left.
Yeah, what's the next one? Is it Imaginary Players?
The next one is yes. Then
Alright.
after that, Bodega Batty.
Okay.
Yeah. the motherfucking rims, that's your.
Huh?
Did you know that this is based off of Jay-Z's original song, Imaginary Players?
No.
So this is his song to be, and she's doing his flow. So keep in mind Jay-Z's flow, but Cardi B's words.
I'm gonna close my eye.
The shit these bitches be bragging about is like shit I was doing in like 2016 type shit. Like, you bitches don't even know the difference between vintage and archive. Like, yeah, look, now I spit that other shit. Pretty motherfucker shit. Cardi B, every song platinum. I'm not the other.
I can see that. I can see that. Some back in the days,
The old
JC's
Jay-Z
flows, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bitch, whatever you was gonna pay her, you gotta double it. Glory hole. Bitches don't know who they fucking with. Damn.
Wait, what? Glory what?
Glory hole.
Like,
Like a glory hole. That's why.
is that like a double entendre?
Yeah,
Like,
you don't know what you're fucking with because you can't see the other person on the
Ah.
other side of the glory hole.
Oh, okay. Alright. I think I'm too old for this.
Money, my stocks and share money. Your booking fee is my makeup and hair money. Bitches say I think I'm the shit. And this. No, you bitches can't live. I got the hottest shit. Hop out, popping it. They say I walk around looking like a compliment. Shut up, stop whining. Cardi still shining. Hoes kept complaining, so I cop more diamonds and more archive. Vintage couture on me. I got more gold TA than John probably. Summer with cheeks out.
You probably know those stuff more than me too. Who's that?
Sean Paul Gaultier, he's a fashion designer.
She got-
Gaultier is like a fashion house label, like Gucci, Dior, Fendi, things like that.
Oh, rich people stuff.
She's saying she's got more like of his original work than he does because she always her and like some other designers, they really love her and they dress her in their stuff all the time. So she probably does have a lot of their really old work in her
Yeah.
house.
Alright.
Winner is minks out. I buy grown man watches and make them say links out, bitch. I mean, it's really easy for me to talk this shit because I live this shit. I just gotta make it rhyme. Bitches, I leave them all fuck. Fist be balled up. Y'all hoes look cheap. That shit don't cost much. I'm a star, but I'll smack you. Don't get starstruck. Patience looking at me like Cardi. What the fuck? Stripe like Tom Brown. These bitches should calm down. Quicker they lift up, the quicker they fall down. Poor thing. Twitter must be gassing them heavy, making them jump in the ring with the brim before they ready. I seen whole fan pages, make avatar changes. All that old love, go to new fan base. Now you're 15 up. You're already out of time. I'm a legend. They gon' hit my heels from the power lines. What I'm saying is, God forbid some shampoo to the brim. Put my motherfucking heels in no snap. Bronx legend, you heard? My flop and your flop is not the same. If you did my numbers, y'all will pop champagne. If I did your numbers, I will hop out of plane. Suicide if I fall from the distance for you and I did. Gotta be kidding. Whatever they smoking on it, gotta be hitting. The bag you just posted, been in the closet sitting. The car you just got you, bow tie and a ribbon. Been in my driveway, not getting driven. Got some bench bitches. Oh, y'all just starting. Birthday a car born to me, that's Olive Garden. A nigga couldn't take me there, that's your department. Tasteless, basic.
What's up?
Carbonche is like a really nice restaurant and she's just flexing how broke everybody is that thinks it's really nice.
I don't know if she's talking to someone specifically.
She's just
But this is kind of like my type of music too.
I'm a Waldorf penthouse, every state bitch.
I mean, that not get it twisted with the money she's talking about and all that. But
like her flexing.
but
2016, I have fashion overlit. Ass rich, y'all need your ass whipped. What the fuck you mean this bitch is out dressing me? How that bitch out dressing me with my fucking bop, bitch? I dress that bitch. Fixing y'all mouth to talk fashion with me. I'm the one who show these girls what fashion could be. The first rap bitch on the cover of Vogue, but somehow y'all passed me, I suppose. I know your type, bold, and no straps. And behind my back, bitches be tight like bra straps. Hey.
Okay, this sounds like a comeback type of song. What do you think?
I think
Like-
she had another 16 in there.
Yeah. Like, oh, y'all think I was gone or something?
Well, this is technically the first song
Oh, yeah.
off the album that was released. The video is her on that boat,
Mm-hmm.
looking amazing.
Mm. Oh, yeah. I remember you've made the confessions already. Damn. Okay, so Bodega Body. Is that what we react to already?
No, that's what we gotta see.
Oh, right now?
Yeah,
Okay.
the song we did was Safe.
Okay. Alright, it's Bodega Body. And
Bodega Body.
whoa! I was not expecting this crazy intro. Let's go.
Bodega Body.
This is a classic Dominican Republic. I'm saying the full name right here. This is a classic Dominican Republic type of stuff right there. And yeah, it's those type of thing that you could just like hear one thing and you know exactly what language and where they are right now singing this song. And I could already picture who's actually with it and everyone who's gonna listen to it. Like, yeah, this is from the island, like right across Haiti. That's it. Yeah.
She should have did a sneak preview of this before the Dominican parade. That was last month.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Texie's like, what's going on?
I was thinking, where's Gordo though? Also, he's not on the counter, right?
Gordo. I thought we weren't gonna say his name.
I didn't know he was not on the counter.
It's okay.
He might be pooping.
No, he's not. Gordo, where are you? Alright. Alright. I feel like, oh no, what's going on? Okay, whoa. Okay. What do you think? Oh. I do think this song is a very hype song that it's so late with us reacting to it. But right now. But it's a dope song. I think it's a way also for her to represent her country. What you think?
Yeah. Something to represent, you know, she's very proud of who she is and her culture. Also, I just see her like, you know, she's a very family person. I can see her dancing with like her sister, like to this song, you know.
Yeah.
But I like the song.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
very hype. They're talking a little fast for me,
Yeah.
the guys.
Yeah.
But You know, it sounds good. Whatever they're saying.
Okay, are you ready? What's the next one? Oh, is it salute the next one? Yeah, because it was okay.
Oh baby, we might have to make this 2 parts.
Why? Is there a lot left?
Including Up and WAP, there's 23 songs.
We don't have to react to these. Oh, 23? Okay, after this we might be done right now.
21 songs is the without songs we already heard.
Oh, damn. Okay, let's just finish this. Yeah, I think.
It's already
Yeah.
after 10.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Like Cardi!
Yeah. You mean to tell me you die over nothing, whole everybody fucking, that's the end of discussion. Bitch like me that came out the mud might help somebody out, cause I came up for nothing. Big body and a big body bands with a big body kid for the lane of a son. He getting mad, won't give him my number. Cup in the middle got me feeling this summer. Feel a lot of work, I'm gonna kill it this summer. Dinner night, y'all know feeling this summer. Bitch, I'm been bad, so
Yeah, this is a summer song. This is like a whole summer album too.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's because of all those things that she didn't like
With
drop
Core.
it. Yeah.
I was like, the sun's almost down now, Cardi.
Yeah. I don't. Did we even get anything for this summer? Did
I
anyone
don't think
drop?
really anybody dropped this summer. I think maybe Gunna dropped, was probably like in hip hop the most thing, and who else came out?
Did Kendrick? No.
Well, he's been like all year. This has been a long.
I don't think
yeah.
Kendrick dropped anything actually. This summer though specifically.
No, but he did tour with SZA, so he was never off.
But I'm like something like that was like the theme of the summer type of thing.
I don't know. The most recent is Tyler the Creator dropped 2 albums this year.
Yeah.
And the Clips. But I don't know if that's like a summer. That's just good music.
Yeah.
Glorilla would have to be the summer.
Glorilla drop anything? I don't think so.
Didn't her album drop this year?
The album that I like?
Her latest album.
No, that's an old one.
No, her album dropped this past
I was running when she dropped that album.
Not the very first one with the red cover. I'm talking about the other one.
I don't think so.
Glorilla. Yeah, this one. Oh no, that is last year.
Yeah.
Glorious. I don't know why I thought that was this year. Who came this year? Oh, Megan. I like Megan.
Megan dropped an album?
Yeah, she did part 2 for her album. Oh no, that was last year too.
Yeah, I don't think so far anybody really dropped.
Dang.
Wait, let's finish this though.
make you curious. Never switched up, so you can't be serious. Disrespect me, yeah, you can't be serious. I'm in that land, it can't be yours. I'm in that yours, my work I'm mature. When I look around, I had children on churn. Feeling the game, my heart the curse. I need my flowers, not call the birds. I plant the seeds, it's time to flourish. So turn on that street, it's not for search. You know I'm living it up when I'm lifting it up. Let a nigga know I came to strike. Then we gon' park in the front, wasn't sitting in the front. Let a nigga know I came to front. That shit is bigger than us, that you know that it's bigger than us, cause they picking it up. Taking the lingo, the fashion, the foreign cars, man, bitches is eating it up. I am the reference, yeah, I am the vision, boy. I put that shit on these bitches, they killing no. Hustle too hard to ever be unemployed, just like a Honda. Got things in the core. Salute the real bitches. 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 High up on Molly, my breasts are like Dolly. I'm riding my nigga just like a Ducati. Chop on the top of the car like karate. Eliante put a bracelet up on me. Shorty try to steal my style, but I caught her. Send me a picture of drip and have bought it. Body a icon and this is iconic. Made a few minutes of talking Ebonics. I am too blessed to be talking the money. I specialize in getting the money. Rub on the thighs and kiss on the stomach. My wife just sick is making them vomit. My throw as long as a trumpet. If my bitches say fuck it, then fuck it. Put your partner up just like some crutches. Got a pussy with just like a bucket. Fuck it. Salute the real bitches. 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 Salute the real bitches.
All right. That's it. That's it. Cardi B. We'll react to the rest later. It's getting a little too late.
You know, for that.
Wait. I forgot to record the screen.
You're joking.
I think I did forgot. Did I? I think I did. Okay.
You'll just have to add the videos in the back.
Yeah. Well, it's a thing anyway. I'll just put the music one by one. Yeah, I did forgot to record the. Oh, alright. Honestly, I wouldn't mind to just drop it like that. Alright, Tasso. What you think? Oh, damn, I'm saying names now. I'll call it.
Wow.
Well, I give you that name. It sounds like.
Okay, I'll tell everybody the whole business. I was saying I would like to see a music video for that. And I wish it would be like her doing her verse like somewhere, and when it gets to the chorus and it's like salute the real bitches, like I would want it to be like influential women or important women, like a fashion designer, that's really important.
That's true.
Like a politician, a
I
Black
could see
Panther,
that.
somebody, you know, like salute like Serena Williams, like somebody like important people in their field, like popping up every time she says that, like mean mugging the camera.
I think that actually sounds good. That sounds good.
Make that song like have some power behind it.
That
know?
sounds pretty smart. Yeah. Awesome. Pretty dub album. We'll see the rest later. Alright, stay tuned. I don't know if this is still recording. We'll look for our cat. I don't know where he went. Alright. We out. Anything to say?
Get the
All right.
tickets.
Salute.
Get tickets to the tour.
Alright.